Little piglet, hello. Wait.
They're so little. Oh, that one jumped. Oh, look at this one. It's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking to Mom, and I was like, how come their tails aren't curly?
So one.
This one's starting to curl.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're
5,
missing.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, 17. Look at that one. Over there by the pond.
They're so soft. So soft and skinny. Skinny little things.
Find that one.
No.
This one's peeing or something.
What the hell? What's it doing? Like, see how their spines are really prominent.
Well, they're just born, man. They were born less than. Well, they were only born 24 hours ago.
I like this one. So tiny.
This one, see the one that has a black butt?
Yeah.
That was the last one that lived, that came out that lived.
Beyonce's just, she's like stuck underneath this thing.
She can get up if she wants to.
What's your problem? Here. Get him. Yeah, I'll probably get one of the scrawnier looking ones and nurse it.
There's a real tiny one. There's a real tiny one.
Yeah, I want that one.
It needs to be fed really bad.
Yeah.
What are you doing over here? What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
Oh, clunk.
Give me some food before you die, girl.
Do they have any